Okay, as you can. Okay.
Alright, guys, this is a Left 4 Dead 2 glitch. Look at the houses. Look at the houses. It's lighting up.
Oh my
green.
god, what the heck?
Look at this right here. It's like Christmas lights.
On the top one.
It's beauty.
On the top screen.
Yeah, on Left 4 Dead 2.
Hi,
We don't know how this got here.
He just looks.
It's like Christmas lights. Guess I missed the lights over here or something. I don't know. I guess the people didn't know that there's Christmas here or something. I don't know. This is amazing. I've never seen this.
There, Downtier playing. Downtier just playing, and then they didn't do anything, and then
Until we saw this.
yes, it was
Alright guys, I was just telling you guys that. Subscribe and like if you guys want to see more.
okay. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Oh my